In a previous video titled Master Reference Grids in Civil 3D Like a Pro, we created a reference system to our map in layout space. The link to the earlier video is shared in the video description and is linked to at the end of the video. The grid labels are m-text and you can move or edit them independently. To view the Gridline properties, select the grid lines. Right-click and select Properties. Trying to change the color under Properties results in no changes to the gridline color. This video covers how to change the gridline color, as this is not supported by default in Civil 3D. Select the grid lines, go into Properties, and change color to by layer. Use the command DXF out to save the drawing as a DXF file. Go to the directory where the drawing is stored and open the drawing using a text editor like Notepad++. You can also open it using the standard Notepad, but it will freeze and will be difficult to navigate. We want to separate the Gridstyle attribute from the other attributes for ease of updating. Using Ctrl+F to open the search window and search for Gridstyle. Once you have found the Gridstyle text, click anywhere on the line, then hold Shift and press End to take you to the end of the line. Double-click to select the entire line and use Ctrl+C to copy the text. Open a new file and use Ctrl+V to paste the text. Save as gridcolor.xml. Make sure the file extension is .xml. With the gridcolor.xml file still open in Notepad++, search for color. We find the hexadecimal color code for black FF0000000. We can change this value to the color we want. Check online for hexadecimal color codes. For instance, to change the black color to magenta, change the code FF0000000 to FFE91E63. The first two characters FF indicate full opacity, while the other characters are the RGB hex code. Use Replace All to replace all instances of the text to change the color for the grid lines and text. You can use different colors for the grid lines and text by using different hex codes. Save the file. In Civil 3D, type the command mapload Gridstyle. Locate the XML file we just modified, Open it. Select the viewport, Choose Replace and accept the default values. The grid color will change to the one defined in the XML file. Note that regenerating the reference grid will revert back to the default values, and we need to reapply our changes. The above approach applies to both AutoCAD Civil 3D and AutoCAD Map.